How to add or remove full keyboard access to accessibility shortcut on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Accessibility Shortcuts. In here, tap on Full Keyboard Access. Tap on the menu item to select or deselect it. Once it is selected, it will be added to the menu. So here, if I triple click on the side button, this will open up the Accessibility Shortcuts menu. And in here, I can quickly access Full Keyboard Access, or I can turn it off. And this is how you can remove it. Just deselect the item and it will be removed from the menu in here. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.